Good afternoon, Counseling 110 students. Can you believe it? We are on week 8. Okay, as usual, make sure you start right at the beginning of the module. We are on week 8, so you either click here or you can go to modules here and scroll down to week 8. All right, so this is a fairly easy week because we already had presentations for budgeting and credit already. We already had the presentations for budgeting and credit, so it's just really the discussion board and the assignments for this week that you have to complete if you haven't already done it. So you want to make sure you read through the literature pertaining to finance. You really do have to do the checkpoint exercises to be able to complete the discussion board. So make sure you do all the checkpoint exercises. Okay, do all the checkpoint exercises so you're able to do the discussion board. All right, and here's the discussion board for week 8, module 8. So you'll do your individual response and make sure that you respond to at least one student for full points. I do have some recordings from the same presenter. I know the majority of you were able to log in and watch him live, but just in case you missed it or want to rewatch it, I do have videos here for both the budget and the credit. And I had a request for a fillable, for fillables for the workbooks for both the budget and the credit. So I was able to do that. This is a PDF format. And then here's the fillable. But you do have to download it to be able to fill it in. So you would download it. And then you're able to fill it in here. Okay, just make sure you save it to your desktop. And then you upload it to Canvas. So I created both the fillable for the credit and also for the budget. And these are the two that you have to upload to Canvas along with your student lingo. Let me go back. So for week 8, we want to upload the workbook for budget, the workbook for credit, and part C is the student lingo on financial literacy, smart money skills for college and beyond. Okay. Again, I will be available at 6:30 if anyone has any questions for me. All right, have a good week.